Welcome to a new video. This tutorial will show you how to repair several Fiat and Abarth instrument clusters with issues to the needles using the replacement stepper motor SEI VID2805. For this repair you will need the following tools. Position the dashboard as shown and undo the rear screws with the Phillips screwdriver, keeping in mind that the shorter screw will be tightened in the middle hole above the connector. With the flathead screwdriver, release the side buttons. With the head of the spudger, pry on the plastic clips and remove the front and the rear cover of the cluster. Undo the FPC and pressing on the clips, release the middle display. Remove the small middle connector and the RPM needle. Acting on the clips on the circuit, remove then the RPM overlay and lastly the speedometer needle. With the head of the pry tool and the tweezers, undo and remove the defective motor from its housing. Place and fix the new stepper motor correctly, as shown. Put back the speedometer needle, then the overlay, and the RPM needle. Reconnect the small connector to the display, which you can then fix to the circuit. Reinsert the FPC into its connector, securing it. Reattach the rear cover, then the front one. Tighten all rear screws, reminding that the shorter one has to be inserted into the hole above the connector. Put back the side buttons. Switch on the dashboard. Perfetto! Problem solved! Thank you for choosing Mini Tools.